So, greetings to everyone. My name is SUYASH and I am a second year student pursuing BLLB honors from MIT University, Gwalior, Madhya Pradesh. Today we are going to discuss the term POXO. What does the term POXO means? POXO Act. We are going to discuss the term POXO Act. So, what is the meaning of sexual assault? So the term sexual assault means if a person touches the penis, vagina or breast of any other person with the sexual intent. Intent has to be necessary. The most important factor or the most necessary factor is an intent, a mens rea. So if a person does these acts with the sexual intent, then he will be liable for the offense of sexual assault. Where it is mentioned? It is mentioned under the section 7 of the POXO Act, that is People Protection of Child from the Sexual Assault. Now, what is the punishment for the said offense? The punishment for the said offense is given under section 8, which says that if a person is guilty of the offense of sexual assault, he will be liable for the punishment or the imprisonment for the term of 3 years, which may extend to the term of 5 years under as discreted by the court. So now, what's the meaning of the term aggravated sexual assault? So aggravated sexual assault is a kind of sexual assault. I reiterate, it's a kind of sexual assault as given under the section 9 of the Act. It is a kind of sexual assault done by the police officers, army officers, or any person employed under the government, that is the public officers, public employees. So it is the more grievous in the terms, and the punishment for the said act, for the said offense, is the imprisonment for the term of 5 years, which may extend to the term of 7 years as given in the section 10 of the Act. Now, what is sexual harassment? The term sexual harassment is defined under the section 11 of the Act. The section 11 of the Act says that sexual harassment is when a person makes gestures or indications to other person with the sexual intent. Here also intent is necessary. Intent means mens rea. For any offense in the world, mens rea has to be necessary, has to be in the offense. If there is no mens rea, there is no offense. So what is the punishment for the sexual harassment? The punishment for the sexual harassment is the imprisonment of term of 3 years with the fine as prescribed by the court. Now, what are special courts? What are these special courts? So special courts are given under this Act, or defined under this Act as the courts which deal with such cases and to give the speedy trial. And the session court or the district court may also be deemed as the special court if they are established under the Child Protection Act. I don't remember the year of the Child Protection Act, but if they are mentioned, if they are established under that Act, they are deemed as the special courts. Now, I'll give one illustration regarding this offense of sexual harassment. So, there was a recent judgment by the special court in Bombay, where a girl went to buy a packet of milk from the market, and there was a 23-year-old man who winks at the girl and says that chalo mere saath, with a lurement of ₹100. The mother of the girl filed a complaint or filed a FIR, and the court held in that case that it was a sexual harassment, as it was done with the sexual intent, and made the guilty, or made that 23-year-old man liable of the punishment of 3 years under the section 12 of this Act. So thank you. Here I conclude, and do comment in the chat box, and do comment in the comment section, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.